Organic halogen compounds are compounds that contain at least one halogen atom, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine, bonded to a carbon atom in a molecule. These compounds have a wide range. Properties of organic halogen compounds. Organic halogen compounds are generally characterized by their high reactivity and volatility. They tend to be very stable and have a wide range of melting and boiling points. The reactivity. Applications of organic halogen compounds. One of the most significant applications of organic halogen compounds is in the field of pharmaceuticals. Many drugs contain halogen atoms, which can modify the properties of the drug molecule. Organic halogen compounds also have applications in the field of agriculture. Many herbicides and pesticides contain halogen atoms, which can help to increase their effectiveness and reduce. In the manufacturing industry, organic halogen compounds are used in the production of a wide range of products, including plastics, solvents, and dyes. For example, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Environmental concerns. Despite their wide range of applications, organic halogen compounds have been associated with a number of environmental concerns. Many halogen compounds are persistent and can accumulate in. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the development of more sustainable and environmentally friendly alternatives to organic halogen compounds. For example, new herbicides and organic halogen compounds also have applications in the field of electronics. Many electronic components, such as semiconductors and printed circuit boards, use halogen compounds in their PR. In addition to their use in industry, organic halogen compounds also have applications in research. They are used in the synthesis of other compounds, such as pharmaceuticals and natural pro. Organic halogen compounds also have important applications in the field of analytical chemistry. They are often used as standards and reagents for the analysis of other compounds. For example, while organic halogen compounds have many useful applications, they can also pose a risk to human health and the environment. Many halogen compounds are toxic and can cause harm if not handled. To protect human health and the environment, regulations have been put in place to control the use and disposal of halogen compounds. For example, the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Orga. Organic halogen compounds also have important applications in the field of materials science. They are used to create materials with unique properties, such as flame resistance and thermal S. However, the use of organic halogen compounds as flame retardants has been a topic of concern due to their potential health and environmental impacts. These have been found to be persistent. To address these concerns, research is ongoing to develop safer and more environmentally friendly flame retardants.